Welcome to my time story. Start up with George's new dinosaur. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And George's favorite toy is Mr. Dinosaur. Mr. Dinosaur is in the garden playing with him at bath time and cuddling with him when he goes to sleep. At bedtime, Peppa says, George, I think Mr. Dinosaur is broken. George is very upset. Mommy and Daddy Pig come to see why George is crying. Poor George, says Daddy Pig. Maybe it's time you to get a new dinosaur. The next day, Peppa and George, Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig visit Mr. Fox the Soap. I'm sure you'll find a lovely dinosaur here, George, says Mommy Pig. Look, George, said Daddy Pig, pointing to the soap from the desert. A big one. Oh, dinosaurs, says George. Good morning, says Mr. Fox. Can I help you? We'd like to buy the dinosaur in the window. Good choice, says Mr. Fox. This is Dino-Roar. He walks, he talks, he sings Dino-Roar, says George. We will take it, says Daddy Pig. George is playing with the Dino-Roar in the garden. Dino-Roar sings, Dino-Roar, Dino-Roar, listen to Dino-Roar, roar! Careful, George, said Daddy Pig. Don't play too roughly because Dino-Roar will break. George wants to play with Dino-Roar in the bath. Splash, splash, splash! Dino-Roar, says George. Mommy Pig says, George, if you get Dino-Roar, then she will stop working. Peppa and George are asleep in bed, but suddenly Dino-Roar comes to life. Listen to Dino-Roar roar! George, says Peppa, Dino-Roar has woken me up. Baby Dino-Roar should sleep somewhere else, says Daddy Pig. Take a Dino-Roar away. George is feeling sad. He cannot play with Dino-Roar in the garden, or in the bath, or even in bed. Don't worry, George, says Mommy Pig friendly. Dino-Roar can still roar. Dino-Roar. Listen to Dino-Roar. Dino-Roar stops walking and talking completely. I think the batteries must have run out, says Mommy Pig. Already? How many are in there? Grumbly, says Daddy Pig as batteries pour out of Dino-Roar. Almost and thousands. Suddenly, Peppa spots something green under a bush. What's this? asked Peppa. Is it a trumpet? You found Mr. Dinosaur's tail, says Mommy Pig. Now Daddy Pig can fix him. He might be a bit difficult to fix, says Daddy Pig diffusely. But the tail slips perfectly into place. Oh, ho, ho! Looked Daddy Pig. Hello, Mr. Dinosaur, says Peppa. Dinosaur, says George. Click! George is so happy to have his favorite toy back. Grrr! George's favorite toy, Mr. Dinosaur, When Mr. Dinosaur breaks, George gets a brand new toy, Dino-Roar. Walks, talks, and even sings. But can he replace George's old toy? Look for more Peppapig books at a store near you.